Hi, Scarlett.
Let's go. Open the garage door. We gotta get going.
I don't have to.
Okay, I'll help you find some. Stop crying.
Hi, Everett.
Hey, we'll get you your flower ones.
Wait, what was yesterday?
My birthday.
Which ones are they?
What's today?
My first day of school.
The new ones you got from the store?
For what grade?
Sweetie.
What?
What grade?
And
Kindergarten
the cool
again.
new ones from
Kindergarten again? Oh,
In different classrooms.
different classroom. What do you got for breakfast?
This is Scarlet.
Chex Mix and M&M's and a smoothie,
And pita chips.
pita chips, and your new water bottle,
Where's the light up one?
and your new hat,
Sister?
and your new clothes,
Mm-hmm.
and all your new toys from yesterday. Weren't those cool?
These really cool stickers.
Scarlett's new bike.
Say no thank you.
This is a cool toy.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Too tight, too tight, too tight.
They're too tight? Feel it. Walk around. Feel it. Walk around. If it's too tight, I'll take them off.
Too tight.
Okay. And you have to wear the flowers. Those are the only ones. Door is way too small. They're even smaller than these.
Smoothies.
Can't do this. Corey, turn that off right now.